Selfs die grootste kat geniet sy plesiertjie. En Lolo, die Bengaalse tier by die Nasionale Dieretuin in Pretoria, is geen uitsondering. Tweedejaars ingenieurswese studente aan die Universiteit van Pretoria het vir Lolo 'n speelding van tuinslange gemaak en gister gedemonstreer.
Okay, so basically we took 6 strands of fire hose that was I think 160 centimeters long, and we laid it in a weave pattern on the floor, and then in the middle we laid, in this particular model there's 2 rolled up fire hoses quite thick, it's about that thick, and then we stacked them on top of each other, and then we just weaved it going up. So we cut a circular or like a round fire hose, and you weave inside, outside, the same pattern like this. And when we get to the top it gets a bit more complicated because you have to fold it in such a way that it hides the bolts that you've tightened the other ones with. Yeah. The first one took us, we did it over like 2 days, so maybe like 8 hours, but then as it went along it like became quicker, we knew what we were doing. So we got it from the Pretoria Zoo. It was sponsored by a nearby fire station.
Today we had a handover of the fire hose ball for the tiger. That was done by the student from the University of Pretoria as part of their community services work that they need to have every year. We've been working with the university for a long time now, so every year we get this kind of work projects done for us.